Hey guys, welcome back. Today we will see the format for mental status examination or mini mental status examination. How to write mental status examination. A video is there regarding that in the channel. Please watch that video before coming to this video. So in the format, first session is introduction. In introduction, you have to write name of the patient, age of the patient, sex of the patient, and in which ward the patient is staying. So this many things you have to write in the first session of your mental status examination. Next heading is general appearance. That is the first component of your mental status examination. Under general appearance, you have to write clothing, posture, grooming, personal hygiene, evidence of self-harm, height and weight of the patient. So this many things you have to add without any fail. Next heading is motor behavior. That is the second component of mental status examination. Under that you have to specify eye contact, facial expression, psychomotor activity, body language, level of arousal, ability to follow request, rapport and engagement. So what is body language, what is psychomotor activity, what is level of arousal, everything we have discussed in the previous video. That means a video related to how to write mental status examination. Please watch that video before coming to this video. I will add the link of the video in the description box also. Then third heading, speech. That is the third component of mental status examination. Under speech, you have to write the speed of speech, what type of speed, rate of speech, quantity of speech, tone of speech, volume of speech, fluency or rhythm of speech. This many headings definitely you have to add under the heading speech. That is the third component of mental status examination. So first heading is general appearance, second heading is motor activity, third heading is speech. Fourth one is affect and mood. Under affect you have to write what type of affect and what is the range of affect. Under that many things will be there that you have to write in a proper way after watching the video related to how to write mental status examination. So under affect, two headings, don't forget type of affect, range of affect. Next heading is mood. That is the next component. Under that you have to write anxious, depressed or dysphoric. Either anxious, either depressed or dysphoric or euphoric. That is the fourth component. So next heading is thought. That is the another component. That means fifth component of mental status examination. Under thought you have to write about the flow of thought and content of thought. What are all the things will comes under flow of thought and what are all the things will comes under this content of thought. Everything is there in the previous video related to how to write mental status examination. Please watch it before coming to this video. Next thing is perception. That is the another component. That means another sixth component of mental status examination. Under perception you have to write about hallucination, delusion and illusion. What type of hallucination the patient is showing, what type of delusion and illusion is there, means that you have to write. If there is no hallucination, delusion, illusion, that also you can specify under this perception component heading. Next heading is cognition. To understand the cognition, you can ask orientation test or you can do orientation test on patient. If they are properly answering and they are oriented towards the place, name and everything, you can write orientation is there. Otherwise, whatever the result you are getting, that you have to write under cognition. Then attention and concentration, that is the eighth heading of mental status examination. Under that you can do random letter and digit test, like count from 1 to 2, 1 to 10, count from A, spell from A to A, B, C, raise your hand when I'm saying B, kind of test will be there that you have to do. Then next heading and next component is insight and judgment. To assess the insight and judgment also you can ask questions. How to ask the questions and what type of questions you can ask, regarding that detailed information is there in the previous video. Please watch that video, how to write mental status examination. Then last you have to conclude the thing with a summary. Summary is very important in mental status examination, right? As per the observation, the patient is having these problems, like that you have to conclude. This is the format for mental status examination, or we can say mini mental status examination format. All these components you have to add in your mental status examination format. All the components starting from general appearance till insight and judgment with summary. Hope you understand, guys. Thank you.